Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade futures on Bybit, a popular cryptocurrency derivatives exchange. Trading futures allows you to speculate on the price of an asset without actually owning it. And Bybit offers a range of futures contracts with leverage of up to 100 times your initial investment. To get started, you will need to create an account on Bybit and deposit funds into your account. Bybit supports a range of deposit methods, including cryptocurrency and fiat currency. Once your account is funded, you can navigate to the futures trading platform, where you will see a range of markets and contracts to choose from. The first step in trading futures on Bybit is to choose the market you want to trade. Bybit offers a range of markets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular cryptocurrencies. Each market has a range of contracts with different expiration dates and leverage options. You can choose the contract that best suits your trading strategy and risk tolerance. Once you have chosen your market and contract, you can place an order to buy or sell. Bybit offers a range of order types, including limit orders, market orders, and stop-loss orders. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell, while a market order will execute your trade at the current market price. It is also important to understand the concept of leverage and margin when trading futures on Bybit. Leverage allows you to trade with more capital than you have in your account, but it also increases your potential losses. Margin is the amount of capital required to maintain your open positions. And if your margin falls below a certain level, your positions may be liquidated. To manage your risk, Bybit offers a range of risk management tools, including stop-loss orders and position sizing. A stop-loss order will automatically close your position if it reaches a certain price, limiting your potential losses. Position sizing allows you to set the size of your position based on your risk tolerance and trading strategy. In conclusion, trading futures on Bybit requires a combination of technical analysis, risk management, and market knowledge. By following these steps and using the range of tools and features available on the platform, you can trade futures with confidence and potentially profit from the cryptocurrency markets. Remember to always manage your risk and never trade with more capital than you can afford to lose.